a very warm welcome to another episode of Business Tuesday, the only show that dissects and bisects business matters from all the spectrum. I am Chris Owino and I'm joined by Diana Opio. Diana, welcome to Lolwe TV, and once again, many thanks for heeding to our invitation. Welcome.
Okay, thank you so much, Chris, for the invite, and I'm also grateful to be here.
Yeah, maybe you can just give our viewer a brief introduction of who is Diana, the organization you work for, and the position that you hold in that organization. Kindly.
Okay, my name is Diana Opio, and I work for Safaricom PLC. I've been working there for the last 10 years. I work as a customer experience executive, and currently I am working as an assistant regional account manager, and my main focus is to ensure that we sell the phones for Lipa Mdogo Mdogo. Thank you.
All right, let's just get straight into it. For the last 20 years, Safaricom has been transforming the lives of Kenyans. Maybe from your own perspective, how has the journey been?
Okay. So in the last 2 decades, Safaricom has grown from a telecommunications service provider to a technology company, and our customers have been the key part of our journey. And through technology and data, we are planning to support the Kenya's economic growth as our launchpad to the next 20 years.
Okay, if my memory can serve me right, during your anniversary, you did launch a program that was dubbed Twende to QK. Maybe you can just tell our viewer what is this Twende to QK program that you launched during your 20th anniversary.
Okay, this anniversary, it's a renewal of our commitment to our customers as we usher in the decade of growth. And the brand dubbed Twende to QK means that it is going beyond. We are going beyond with what we can possible. And we are going to showcase our mobile technology as we transform the lives of the people around us.
So the word Twende to QK is actually derived from the English word going beyond.
Yes, it
So
is.
does it mean going beyond the expectation of your customers or going beyond the expectation of you as Safaricom?
It is actually both. We have to go beyond what customers would want us to go beyond, what is thought possible. Yes.
So you can tell your subscribers that they should expect more from Safaricom going forward.
Yes, it is.
Brilliant. Looking forward to see that coming to fruition. Now my next question. Safaricom has been keen and consistent in transforming the lives of Kenyans.
Yes.
Somebody would ask, what is pushing you to transform the lives of Kenyans? Why are you so keen in it?
Okay, it's because, a company can only exist in a society. And in that case, Safaricom also exists in this society of Kenya.
Yeah.
And therefore, we believe that we can only succeed even as well as the society is succeeding. And that's why we have been transforming the lives of our customers through our products and services, and even the works that have been done in the community. And for the last 20 years, we have the purpose or a business model for technology to transform the lives of our customers and even the people around us.
Yeah, maybe we can just go back to the second question about the platform dubbed Twende to QK that was launched during your anniversary.
Yes.
So how does Safaricom intends to go beyond efforts in supporting its customers? How do you intend to go beyond in achieving that goal?
So we are going to leverage fiber and also 4G network, and we are going to ensure that we provide internet to 1 million homes and businesses for over the next 5 years.
So in the next 5 years,
Yes.
you're going to actually and ensure that more than 1 million homes are
Yes.
connected by Safaricom home fiber.
Yes, yes. Home fiber and 4G network.
4G network.
Yes. We are also making sure that we will achieve 100% 4G network across the country by the end of December 2020.
Just hold on.
Yes.
You are saying here on Lolwe TV that by the end of this year,
Yes.
you are targeting how many?
100% 4G.
100% 4G across the entire country.
Yes.
If I may ask,
Yes.
that is a very ambitious plan. How far have you reached so far?
We are at 91% at the moment.
So out of a possible 100, you've already encompassed 91%.
Yeah. Most of the areas in Kenya are actually 4G enabled.
And the remaining bit of homes and areas in our country, you are telling them that by the end of this year,
Yes.
all areas in our country will be connected by 4G network.
Yes.
So great.
Yes, and also we are going to launch a data usage transparency, in which we are going to provide our customers a detailed usage statement.
Yeah, you've just said that you're going to launch data usage transparency.
Yes.
So what prompted you to come up with this idea?
Okay, so far we've reached where we are because we listen to our customers to provide solutions, even to answers of what they need, and even to anticipate before even the customers. So in that case, we find that customers usually complain that they do not understand how their data was used. So by launching the data usage transparency, we are able to provide them with a detailed statement where they're able to access and know that this is how the data was used, and therefore they should be able to get the transparency that they need.
There has also been a school of thought that Safaricom, allegedly, that Safaricom data, they get exhausted very fast compared to data from other networks. Is there an iota of truth in such like allegation?
And that is why, okay, it doesn't mean that by launching this product where they're able to get their statements, it doesn't mean that usually the data is used very fast, but you as a customer will be able to understand how the data is used, and also to be able to plan with your needs by having to know your statement.
Yeah, maybe
Yeah.
because of time, we are going to take our short commercial break, and when we get back, you will take us through the remaining bit of efforts that you are putting in place to support your customers going forward.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Right, on that note, we are going to take our commercial break, a short commercial break, and when we get back, we are going to look at some of the plans that Safaricom has in place for its subscribers moving forward. Don't go too far, we will be right back. Welcome back, and many thanks once again for choosing Lolwe TV. If you just join us right now, this is Business Tuesday, and we were just talking about some of the ways in which Safaricom intends to go beyond its effort to actually support its customers. And Diana had taken us through some of the efforts, and there were remaining bit of those efforts. Maybe Diana can just take us through the remaining bit of effort that Safaricom is putting in place to support its subscribers.
Okay, when through our last segment, when I was here last, we spoke about the new M-Pesa USSD, where all the M-Pesa were put together in one
Roof, yeah.
in one roof. that is the star 334 hash.
Yeah.
And in this case, we are committed also to support our micro SMEs with the launch of Pochi la Biashara. And this Pochi la Biashara is an innovative product which allows the separation of business and personal wallet of a customer. So to expound on this is that you find that customers like Mama Mboga and these people who are doing small businesses,
enterprise, yeah.
yes, there are people who do not, most of them don't have the Lipa na M-Pesa. And you find that they are not able to separate or even to account for the money paid to their M-Pesa accounts. And therefore, if they dial the star 334 hash and go to Pochi la Biashara, they're able to log in into their account, and then they're able to receive their money through the Pochi la Biashara. So this person is able to separate between the money that is in their personal account and into their business account.
Yes, so you mean that if you've got a business, you are a small business enterprise a person, and you don't have Lipa na M-Pesa.
Yes.
Safaricom has actually taken you into consideration by launching
The Pochi la Biashara.
Pochi la Biashara segment.
Yes.
So for Mama Mboga there, if I want to enroll for Pochi la Biashara,
You just dial,
what do I do?
You just dial star 334 hash, and then you go to Pochi la Biashara, which you will activate the account, and then you should be able to view your statements, even to withdraw your money, and even to pay for the Pochi la Biashara if you are making payments. So if you are a customer, you also do the same. So instead of you paying directly to a person's number, you just dial star 334 hash, then you go to Pochi la Biashara, then you pay Lipa na M-Pesa. So that money will go to the business account for that Mama Mboga.
Yeah, so that means that if you are a business person, you are Mama Mboga, you've got a barber shop, and you don't want to accumulate, or you don't want your money to get in under one roof, simply just dial star 334 hash and pick option 8, that is Pochi la Biashara, right?
Yes, yes.
Then you enroll for it.
Yes.
After which the customer will also dial 334 hash
Yes.
and select Pochi la Biashara and send you money, and that money will not go to your M-Pesa account.
Yes.
It will simply go to Pochi la Biashara account.
Yes.
So great.
So some of also the efforts that we are going to support our customers is to enable the SMEs to run their business digitally through an enhanced connectivity and financing propositions. Yes.
Yes.
So those are some of the things that will be launched, and we will look forward to them. We also, through M-Pesa Africa, we are planning to involve M-Pesa into a lifestyle platform where we can make universal payments throughout the continent.
Yeah, Safaricom subscribers in our country, they are accustomed to getting goodies from Safaricom also during festive season.
Yes.
Would you just tell Safaricom subscriber who is watching you now, what are some of the goodies that Safaricom has in the store, more precisely during this 20th anniversary?
Okay, so as part of the celebrations that Safaricom, all Safaricom customers will actually get to enjoy a free call up to 20 minutes. One call.
So all Safaricom subscribers will enjoy one free call,
Yes.
up to 20 minutes.
Yes, but it is...
Is it every day or?
Yes, every day for
Every
the
day.
next 30 days.
For the next 30 days?
Yes, yes.
So if I'm a Safaricom subscriber,
Yes.
I'm going to enjoy one free call up to 20 minutes for the next 30 days.
Yes, but we are selecting about 1 million customers per day to be able to enjoy the service.
Per day, 1 million Safaricom customers will enjoy
Yes.
one free call of up to 20 minutes.
Yes.
When did this program start?
It started when we launched when we actually celebrated our 20th anniversary.
So like me as Chris, I've not benefited from that 20 minutes free call. Why?
We are choosing 1 million subscribers per day. So your turn should
So
be
what's
able
the
to-
criteria of this 1 million? How are you getting this 1 million if it's not discriminatory? How?
It is actually a random selection. So the system will select a number of 1 million subscribers to be able to enjoy the service per day.
And by the end of the day, all Safaricom subscribers would have enjoyed one free call of up to 20 minutes
Should be
for
able
the
to.
next 30 days.
Yes, should be
So
able
does
to.
it mean that this 1 million is kind of a rotational stuff? That
Yes.
today, if I was picked, tomorrow another person will be picked,
Yes.
so that you will target all the Safaricom subscribers to ensure that they get one free call of up to 20 minutes for the next 30 days.
Yes, should be able.
So that is the first goodies that you are actually
Yes.
giving to your customers as you commemorate 20
Yes,
years
yes.
anniversary.
So some of the things that we are also giving to our customers is that those who are turning 20 years this year, and also those who have been in Safaricom for 20 years, they will be getting 20 GB of data.
Yeah, you got it. If you are turning 20 years
Yes.
and you've been a subscriber of Safaricom for the last 20 years, there's another goodie for you in the store. That is 20 GB.
Yes.
Somebody would ask, why only people who are turning 20 years? Is it not a discriminatory kind of policy?
No, it is. We are just enjoying. We are celebrating 20 years.
It is 2020 affair.
It's 2020. It's a 20 at 20 affair. So it is an interest. People have to be interested
So
as well.
sisi kama watu wa 10 years and below, we won't be.
That's why we
factored
have
in.
other promotions of the 20 minutes, 23 minutes for the first call. And we also have another one where for the next 30 days, you are also able to purchase 20 minutes of call time and 20 MBs at 20 shillings. So everyone else should be able to purchase 20 minutes of call and 20 MBs at only 20 shillings. And even for the next 90 days, through Tunukiwa, you are able to get a free 20 minutes to call across all networks. And to access this, you just dial star 444 hash and go to buy minutes.
Yeah, so great. So apart from the individual customers,
Yes.
what other plans do you have in the store for small businesses moving forward?
Yes. So as I mentioned earlier, I said about the Pochi la Biashara. You know, SMEs are the part of the economy that actually help build the economy, yeah? And therefore, we introduced the Pochi la Biashara, where the small micro SMEs are able to access their money through the business accounts. We also have put the M-Pesa into one roof using the USSD of the star 334 hash. And in this way, we are also introducing, offering this M-Pesa self-reversal services through the USSD of star 334 hash. And we are also working with micro and SMEs, micro SMEs and SMEs to run business digitally through connectivity under the Shirika and Collective Data Bundles package. So there will be data bundles packages that are going to be used for the SMEs. And we are also going to help them with a digital academy where they're able to get digital knowledge and to also help to increase the economy.
Yeah, maybe as we wind up,
Yes.
what are some of the opportunities that Safaricom see in the next decade, rather going forward? What are some of the opportunities that you see going forward in the next decade?
Okay, as I introduced earlier, I said that we have moved from a telecommunication service provider to a technology. And in this next phase, we are going to leverage the power of mobile technology to transform lives. We are also going beyond to ensure that we are customer obsessed by putting the customer at the center of all we do. And we are also going to do in everything we do, we are going to do it for you as the customer. And even through M-Pesa Africa, we are able to help you to work with things to do with agriculture, health, and education. And we are seeking to go beyond with a data-driven economy for the next 20 years.
Oh, great. And that does it for us today. Let's do it again next time. Many thanks to Diana for heeding to our invitation and for your well-articulated presentation. And let's do it again next time. Remember to keep the conversation going on our social media platform, that is on Facebook at Lolwe TV, on YouTube at Lolwe TV Kenya, Instagram at Lolwe TV, and my personal Twitter handle, that is at Chris Owino14. On behalf of the entire team that has made this program possible, we say asanteni sana. Let's do it again next time. Bye-bye.
Thank you.